What I'm going to do is that I'm going to skip these two because basically these two is going to be similar to whatever we did so far. I'm going to jump into this object right there. The first thing I want to do is that I want to find the right place for this object. So I know that from this corner to here, it's going to be 11 units, and then it's going to be 1 unit from that corner to here. So we'll find the line and then draw in like some sort of a reference line for myself. So I'm going to delete this previous reference line. I'm going to draw a new one, and this direction is going to be 11. From this direction to this direction, it's going to be 1 right there. Okay, so that's going to be the placement of the second object I want to create. Third object, basically, I want to create. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw, imagine that there is nothing here, and it's only one box that goes all the way up. I'm going to draw that box first. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go over the box and place the first one here. And the first dimension is going to be 1. The second one, oops, I did a mistake, so just go back. Box. And so let's start from this dimension. This dimension is supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's going to be 4. And this dimension is going to be 1. Okay, and the height of that is supposed to be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and this one will be 6 on top to here. Alright, so what else I have to change here? I know that there is some sort of a box within here that I have to subtract. Then there is this like a half cylinder that I have to basically subtract from the original object. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go drawing a new box right there, and I'm going to use that line, that corner. It's going to be 1 unit from that, and then so right now you see that I draw from that edge. It's going to be my box. So what I have to do is that the box is supposed to be on one direction, supposed to be 2, the other one supposed to be 1, and the height of that box basically is 1. Right, so that's going to be my box right there, and then there is a cylinder. So I'm going to go and find the cylinder, and I'm going to use the temporary, or maybe before doing that I'm going to use the UCS, and I'm going to place the UCS right there, enter. So basically my UCS is now associated with that. I'm going to use the cylinder, and I'm going to place the cylinder right there, click here, and this height of that in this direction is going to be 1, right? So what I need to do is that first I'm going to bring the UCS to where it was before, and then I'm going to subtract it. So I'm going to select the main object, enter, and then selecting these two objects, right? And then subtract it from the original. So that basically look very good, right? So second thing I have to do is that I have to create this this piece here. So I know that there is a cylinder in the middle that I have to subtract. So let's go over and then find that placement of that cylinder. It's going to be 1, 2 units on top of this, and the radius is going to be 1. So let's get back here. I'm going to change the UCS again. Maybe I have to keep it where it was. So, and then enter to make the UCS right there. I'm going to go with the cylinder, and I'm going to bring this all the way up from this unit. It's going to be 2, and the radius is going to be 1. This one's supposed to be 1 as well, right? So let's subtract that one as well. This object and this object. Very good.